Hello and welcome back to the Kids Plus Game of the Month. We are here at Games Unlimited, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Squirrel Hill, right on Forbes Avenue at the new location with owner Kylie Primus. And as always, the trusted and other winner of most games when I still lose, Chandra. So, a little bit of a change. I have no mask on because we're following CDC guidelines because everyone here, including the cameraman, has been vaccinated. So, fully vaccinated against COVID and following CDC guidelines, we are maskless. The policy, please check with the store to make sure you know what to expect when you walk in. But here we go.
All right, today we are going to be playing Pakal, or shall I say, Dr. Wolynn will be losing at Pakal. This is a game, they've actually made a bit more of a game out of the classic Slide 15 puzzle. So we've all got one of these things, you've probably seen them. Usually they have numbers 1 to 15, and you're trying to get them in order. With this one, we are going to have to, all of us have our own little pattern there. We're going to have to slide our things around to make certain images visible. I will reveal a tile, and those 3 images are what we're racing to make visible on our board. But as long as those 3 images, and only those 3 images are visible, and you also have 45 seconds to do it in. We'll have a timer. But that's not all. When you think you have successfully done it, you're going to want to grab one of these tokens to signal, okay, I'm done. Great. The token you grab will determine how far you move on this track. So I am red. If I were to have grabbed just the eyeball token, I'm gonna move up to the next eyeball. Oh, it would only be 1, so I probably don't want to grab that. So after you finish this, you got to look down and try to figure out which token is the best one for you to take. But that's not all.
Of course not. Of course it isn't. No.
You also should not take a token that is one of the 3 things we were trying to make appear. If you take one of those 3 things,
yes,
you get no points.
It's as if there's a mad game scientist somewhere out there thinking, what is the absolute possible way that we can not only make Dr. Wolynn lose, but possibly just be miserable? Because I already know I'm going to lose this. This is not even beginning to be fun, but I'm a good sport, so I'm going to try. Let's do it.
Here we go. That's what we're doing. It's like a dragon, parrot, and a jaguar. And of course, no cheating and removing the things from your thing.
I don't even know how to remove anything right here. Oh, there's one.
Wait, shoot. Okay, I got mine.
I see where they all are, and I can't get to them.
Taking that one.
What? Really?
You can still go.
What I do?
Oh, great. Well, first you got to do it correctly.
What if can I just give up? Can I give up at some point?
No
Did
fun.
I say good sportsmanship?
Uh-oh.
No.
Oh, come on, Dr. Wolynn.
Wait, there's the parrot.
Nope, time is up. So, you did not complete 0 points. Chandra and I have to check ours. I do have the parrot. Looks like the parrot, the dragon,
and the jaguar. Likewise, me, I do believe.
Now, I grabbed the fire, which is not one of those 3, so I get to move up to the next instance of fire. Chandra?
I panicked and grabbed the corn,
It's fine.
which does get me somewhere.
Gets you somewhere. Now, there is consolation.
What do I get?
Because you didn't get any points,
Yes.
you're actually going to remove one of your clear ones. I didn't take these out of the box, but we're going to add
A
one
not
of
clear
your
one?
colors. Yes.
That's not a consolation.
It seems like that would make it harder.
That
but
would
it actually
make it
makes it
harder.
easier because there are fewer open spots. Remember, because you have to not only find those 3, but cover everything else up.
I don't know that I like that. I don't find that
Yours
to
will
be reassuring.
easier. As soon as someone crosses this line,
I feel so
that round?
fortunate right now.
yeah.
I feel pretty decent about my performance.
Okay, well, I feel
If I
very...
had been not panicking as much, I could have grabbed that and
Yes.
gotten further along.
Well, that's okay. I haven't even contemplated touching the board yet, so... A lot of fun right here. Okay, Pakal.
Discover the hidden.
Okay, we're gonna give this another round.
We're gonna do a round?
Yes,
All right,
yes.
let's do another round. All right, there we go.
Okay.
Is that a whale?
It's the jaguar corn whale.
Okay, that's...
Jaguar corn whale. That's my favorite animal.
Yep.
Wait.
Oh, man.
Wait.
Here's that Jaguar corn wheel.
Wait, the wheel. There's the wheel. Wait.
Jaguar corn whale?
Wait.
Oh, no,
corn whale.
not dragon corn whale.
Did I do it? Wait.
I see 4 things.
I gotta get rid of this thing.
Jaguar corn eyeball?
Oh,
No!
wait, no.
Oh, you had it. You had it. You had it.
Yes.
You
Wait,
do.
I got 4 things.
Oh, time's up.
Something.
Unfortunately, there are no more clear ones to add to, so
I didn't get mine.
And I've left my pride at home. So,
you knew better.
And ages.
Ages, they recommend whether they're 8 and up. I've played it with my 7-year-old. Just pretty straightforward. Pretty easy.
Your 7-year-old, I'm certain, could beat me. Price.
Price, I think it's. Let me check here. It is $29.99.
$29.99. Kids, if you're good with patterns and these little movie thingies, I'm not. Pakal, give it a try and play a game.